What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And this video is going to be on Peerfly. So it's crazy because I was just talking about how bad they shaved, like 2 days ago or something like that. And now they are basically saying they're closing their doors. So that is pretty crazy after 11 years. Even though I wasn't like the biggest fan of theirs, it's still it kind of sucks when the business goes under and stuff like that. But basically, what they're saying, the reason why they're closing is that advertisers, instead of going to affiliate marketers, and going to these CPA networks, a lot of people are going directly to Facebook. They're going directly to Google, stuff like that, because it's not difficult. It's not hard at all to go and put an ad up and stuff like that. So it wouldn't be surprising if a few more of these companies end up getting shut down or they just start closing their doors and stuff like that. I mean, they still had the following and stuff, so I don't know why they closed. I guess it just on their end they just weren't making the amount of money they wanted to make or whatnot. Probably all the shaving was about, because I mean, like, they were shaving super hard. Like, I wouldn't say they were on the level of Max Bounty shaving, but they were shaving pretty hard on some offers. Like, I remember running an offer on here one time. Man, they shaved me so hard. I even showed you guys the difference on it. I think I had sent, it was like 300 or 400 clicks over to Peerfly. I didn't get a single conversion, or it was like one or two conversions, and I sent like 80 over to what was it, Cash Network, and then I end up getting like way more. I think I made like $100 and something on Cash Network with like a few clicks, versus over there where I probably only made like a couple of dollars or something like that. So, and it was the same offer and everything. That's why you always got to be in different networks too, guys. Like, I mean, it really does change night and day from different offers. Like, one offer might, crush it on the network you're on right now. The next offer that you're running on your network could be like shaving you like crazy, and then you go to a different network and it's running perfectly fine over this. I mean, you got to really test it out and see which ones are shaving you, the most or whatever. But yeah, like, sorry about that. I got the windows open right now, but yeah, they are gone. Like I said, basically the advertisers are going directly to Facebook and stuff like that. They're bypassing the whole affiliate. Like, why would you need to pay an affiliate $3, $4, $5 or $2 or $3 per lead if you can go to Facebook and get them for 50 cents? That saves quite a bit of money. But yeah, it just came a cost effect thing. Here, like, I guess they just couldn't stay in business because of the money here. So I'll just slide this back up here for the people that want to go through and read it if you weren't a part of the network, so you can pause it or whatever. So this is the full email here. Also, if you have any money in there, I guess you should probably, like, if you have like even a few dollars or like $40 or something, you should probably send a little bit of traffic just so that way you can get your $50. Because I'm assuming anything under $50 is being kept. You're not getting that at all. So yeah, I would definitely do that, because I mean, that is kind of crazy. Because, like, let's say like 1,000 people have like $40 in their account right now. That's $40,000 that they're not gonna have to pay out. That is pretty crazy. But yeah, there you go right there, guys. That's it. Purefly is going to be gone July 31st. It does crazy, because that's a big name too. I think they're ranked third out of all of the CPA networks. Like, that is crazy. But I mean, hey, I guess everyone has their day, but that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you got any questions or comments, I really want to know what you guys think about this, especially my affiliate marketers that have been doing this for, like, what do you guys think about this? Because it's not like, it's a little network or something like that. I mean, this is Purefly. Like, even though they shave like crazy, they are like still ranked third among all the CPA networks. So, like, they're right up there. I think what Never Blue is one, Max Bounty is second, Peerfly is third, and then so on. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that stuff.